Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to use Google Form. So let's open our Google Chrome. Double click on Google Form, then it's here it opens. So you select the account that you want to use. You select the account. Now this one, internet, network and stuff, so you need to be a little patient with it. So you come to Google Apps here and you open Google Apps by double clicking, and then you scroll and look for Google Form, which is here. You click on it. You click on Google Forms, then it opens. It's loading. It's loading. Then you select blank form. Click on blank form.
Have you solved the issue of math? Which ones? Or she was making videos at night.
Blank form.
Not yet.
So if you now here have you click and activate this untitled form, and then you write your title.
Guys, so I'll go the other time. Maybe by my last letter.
Then you delete this. You can write students to be your titles, students, and then you delete this.
Not ready without sound.
You delete students.
Yeah. It might be sour. The beans is 2 cups. I had.
Students. Then you click on add. Then for the first one on your form, we shall have surname. Then you mark mark as required. Then you click on add. Then it will give you another option. This can be your first name. First name. First name. Then you click on add. Depending on what the info that you want to know, can be contact. Then you mark as required also. Then you click on add if there are still more infos you want to get, like email. Then you mark as required. Then you go to publish and you publish your form. Then now you come here and select the contact that you want to send the forms to, or the link that you want to share the forms to. Then this one, if you want to undo, redo, or to see the form. So that is briefly about Google Forms. Thank you for watching. Hope you've learned something.